here, this is our example 2. Example 2 says, number 2, y equal to what? 2 over what? 4 minus x squared raised to the power of 2. Please note that you can only differentiate a function that is up in form of power. So this function, 4 minus x squared raised to the power of 2, it is at the denominator and it's supposed to be at the numerator. I will now apply the principle of law of indices. So which means I can rewrite this as what? 2 times, so that you can get it, 1 over what? 4 minus x squared raised to the power of 2. According to law of indices, if this go up, it will take a negative power, law of indices. So which means my y is now what? 2 times 4 minus x squared raised to the power of minus 2. My y will now be what? 2 bracket 4 minus x squared raised to the power of minus 2. Now it is now composite. As you can see, although naturally it's still composite from here, here also is still composite because it has been enclosed. It is compound function. It is compounded. So from here, the same approach. It's the same approach. Because we want to use chain rule because it is a function of a function, composite function. Let's u to represent the content. U to be what? 4 minus x squared. If u is 4 minus x squared, implies that our y will be what? 2. You know there is 2 here before, and everything here is now u. There is raised to the power of minus 2 here, raised to the power of minus 2. From here, I can now move on. From this u, I can generate du over dx. It means differentiating u with respect to x. If I differentiate this x squared, it will give me 2x. But because of the negative at the front, it will give me minus 2x. Don't forget, the differential of a constant is 0. So this 4 becomes 0. Now, from this y, I can generate dy over du. Differentiating y with respect to u. From here, it will be, now I'm differentiating u. This power 2 will multiply 2. This power minus 2 will multiply 2. That is minus 4u. If I now remove 1 from the power, minus 3. That is minus 4u raised to the power of minus 3. So using chain rule, in conclusion, dy over what? Dx equal to dy over du times du over dx. This is the standard formula for chain rule. So from here, it will now be equal to, what is our dy over du? Minus 4u raised to the power of minus 3 times, what is our du over dx? Minus 2x. From here, let's continue here. This is our question 3. From here, let's continue. Dy over dx. We are still working on our final answer. We've not gotten the final answer. So minus 4, you know there is minus 4 here, there is minus 2 here. Minus times minus plus 4 times 2x. That is what? 8x u raised to power, what is here? Minus 3. Minus 3. Now from here now, we can now move on by saying that in conclusion, dy, so recalling, can say recall. You know there is no u in the question, you have to recall back. Recall as what? You know you said let u to be what? 4 minus x squared. So u is now 4 minus x squared. You substitute u back, so dy over dx will now be 8x bracket, what is my u? 4 minus x squared raised to the power of minus 3. So in conclusion, dy over dx will be 8x. According to law of indices, negative power will come down. It will now be times 1 over 4 minus x squared raised to the power of, what is here? 3. We are applying the principle of indices. So therefore, in conclusion, dy over dx is now 8x times 1. 8x over 4 minus x squared raised to the power of 3. That is the final answer for the second example under chain rule. Let's move to number 3. For number 3, this is number 3. Number 3 says y equal to square roots of 3x minus 9. Now, this one is also a composite function, although we are given in form of roots. And don't forget that square root means power half, according to law of indices, which means I can rewrite this as y equal to 3x minus 9 raised to the power of half. Power half means square root, because you cannot differentiate in form of roots. It will be in form of power before you can differentiate. So I'm now moving to the next one, which is the last one. So I want to solve it. Since my y, I will not say, since my y is this, it has been composed. I will not say, let everything here be u. Let u to be what? 3x minus 9. So my u is now 3x minus 9. Implies that y will be what? U raised to the power of half. Since my u is this. Now, from here, from this u, I can generate du over dx. So du over dx will give me what? 3, because I'm differentiating u with respect to x, gives 3. From this y, I can generate dy over du, because I'm differentiating y with respect to u. It will give me what? Half, we multiply u, that is half u. If I now remove 1 from half, it will give me minus half, raised to the power of minus half. So from here, in conclusion, dy over dx is equal to what? Dy over what? Du times what? Du over dx. Don't forget that by the time du cancel du, it will give us dy over dx. So from here, what is my dy over du? 1 over u, 1 over 2u raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. What is my du over dx? 3. So which means dy over what? Over dx will now be half times 3. That is 3 over 2. U raised to the power of minus 2. But you cannot stop here. You cannot stop here. Why? Because you've not gotten your answer in form of x. So your final answer must be in form of x. You now recall that what? Don't forget that we said let u to be 3x minus 9. So recall that u equal to what? 3x minus 9. You substitute the value into your final answer. So dy over what? Dx will now be equal to what? 3 over 2 brackets. U is what? 3x minus 9. This to the power of minus 1 over 2. If you stop here, you are correct, but this is not the standard answer. Since you are given question in form of square root, your answer should be in form of square root. According to law of indices, this will be what? 3 over 2 times what? 1 over. The negative power will be 1 over what? 3x minus 9 raised to the power of half. But yes, you can't still stop here, because power half means square root. So in conclusion, dy over dx will now be equal to 3 is up over 2. The 2 is down. In the roots of what is here? 3x minus 9. So you can write your answer clearly here. Final answer clearly from here. Let me rewrite it here. So y will now be what? 3 over 2 in the roots of what? 3x minus 9. That is the final answer. As simple as that.